Molex DuraClik wire-to-board connectors combine superior contact reliability, mating retention, and space savings for high vibration and high temperature applications, including options for automotive applications. The connectors are available in standard TPA or ISL receptacles with up to 15 circuits and up to 50 newtons of terminal retention force. They feature either a space-saving interpositive lock design or inertia lock to ensure secure mating and produce an audible click when mated. Headers are available in vertical and horizontal configurations and have wide solder tabs that provide 100 newtons of board retention force and meet automotive vibration requirements. DuraClik connectors use an enclosed contact design to prevent tangling during assembly and protect against dust and debris, and the TPA and ISL versions can be used at up to 125 degrees Celsius.